here to share with you guys the Arctic Zone 9-can zipperless cooler, guys. Okay, it's what you're looking at right here, right? And you guys, we've been using this for many months now, and it has been great for us. Okay, it is perfect for so many different things. Number one, I use this a lot to go to the pool with my kiddos when we're just running around, when we're going to the park, that type of thing. And I need something that's super easy, portable, to be able to put some, soda cans into and other snacks that might need to be refrigerated or stay, kept cool, right? And this is so easily accessible as well. And the fact that it's zipperless makes it even easier. So I'm going to show you guys some of the features of this item. As you guys can see, number one, we have a zippered pocket up front, which is super nice and allows us to be able to add items to it. And I'm doing this with one hand because I'm holding my camera, so my apologies. But as you guys can see, we've got a nice padded front area here that you could add items to. Super easily accessible. The fact that it's zipperless is awesome too, because it just makes it that much easier for you to go ahead and pull up the Velcro portion here and just lift up the box, as you guys see here, okay? And so on the inside of this is an awesome little feature right here, which is this little contraption right here. So what this is one, it's removable. And so what this allows us to do is to be able to put, and I had stuff in here, guys. I really do use this thing, so disregard all of that. But I wanted to show this to you guys in real time because this is a real life review. So Ashley took some snacks out of here from the kids, and I'm actually about to clean it out. But this area here allows for you to put many items in here, as you guys can see, nice and huge, right? But still very portable and not overly huge, right? But it allows you to go ahead and put your soda cans or your water bottles and those types of things, your juice packets and those types of things in here and kept cool, okay? And as you guys already know, you can put at least 9 cans in here, but I've been able to fit more than that in here by a long shot, okay? The other thing is you can put ice in here and do the same thing and literally just pack it as a cooler, put all those things in there. But I usually put snacks and I put drinks and all the rest of the things in here too. But the great thing is that if you do decide to pack this with ice and your soda cans and whatnot, you can put this up top. And what this does is allows you to add your snacks, and maybe not the snacks you want to be actually stuck in ice that you have below it, but kind of elevated so that not only are you able to keep your soda cans and water bottles nice and cool, but you're also allowed to keep the snacks that are on top of here cool as well and separate from the ice so they don't get wet, okay? So that's an awesome feature on this bag as well. So that is one that we really liked about it. We also got our strap right over here, and I love this portion of it because when you put it on your shoulder and you're carrying some things right in it, you're gonna want a little bit of cushion. That's gonna really help to kind of just make it more comfortable for you, and this is really flexible and super comfortable as well. So that's the strap that you can actually adjust and put on your shoulder so that you can take it on the go. Well, guys, this has been an incredible find for us. We've been using it for a while now, and I wanted to pop in, share a real life review with you guys so that you guys can see, one, it's in use a lot, and that we absolutely love it. And I hope that this video helps in making your decision.